There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and you already know I'm back to slay with a new Amazon wig. Okay. So what's up, you guys? What's up, ladies? What's up, gents? What's up, divas and divos? What's up, family? What's up, besties? What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? I hope y'all all having like a really great day when you're watching this video. You know, staying motivated, happy, positive, minding your business out the way, and enjoying the company that we are keeping right here. What's up? First of all, let me just say this. Have you ever had a moment your makeup, you just was so proud of yourself because your makeup came out perfect? You didn't have to do anything extra. You didn't have to remove anything. You didn't have to go back and restart all over. Everything just came together perfectly. Have you ever had that moment? Because right now, I'm feeling like I'm having that moment, okay? The brows came out great. The eyelashes, okay, they ate. The blending of the shadows and stuff, perfect. Even the blush is the way I finally got it to go. Girl, the contour, girl, I'm happy. I'm proud of myself today. Now, I'm proud of myself today, but is this going to happen for me the next time that I put on makeup? Because this is the reason why I don't like wearing it also. It just takes too damn long. And for me, I don't like to have a lot of makeup on my face. So as soon as I'm done doing my videos, I hurry up and wash it off. I would rather go outside barefaced than wear a full face of makeup. I don't know what it is, but I don't know if it's because I've gotten older, because there was a time when I probably wouldn't even go to the mailbox without any makeup. But you know what I'm saying? But it's like, girl, I'm happy with my bare face, okay? I don't think I'm ugly. I think I'm still cute, okay? At my old age, yes, girl, what's up? So I'm happy about the makeup today. And I ain't even gonna sit here and lie because this brow was giving me a tad bit of a little issue, but we worked it out and she came through. I'm happy. I'm blessed to be here. I woke up above ground. Girl, what? As I was doing my makeup, I was also watching Pop the Balloon or Find Love with Arlette. I love that show. So anyway, besides all that, I hope y'all having like a really great day whenever you're watching this video. Today's video is another Amazon lace front by the brand BEEOS. Worked with them plenty of times, like 9 times, 8, you know, that's enough times. But they also do have a website of their own. Not really sure if they're on AliExpress, but they also on Amazon, and they have some really good units. This is one of their wear and goes. I think this is 13 by 4 or 6 human hair wigs. Now y'all already know what wear and go means. It means, you know, just to put it on and leave as soon as it arrives. So girl, in that box was the wig, okay? So this is their SKINLIKE Real HD Swiss lace, and you're gonna get a fishnetted wig cap, HD wig cap, a melting band, and a nice amount of tape. Hello, thank you very much, BEEOS, because this is a nice amount of tape. Also, you will be getting the wig. So let's take a look at her because it does say she's wear and go. And baby, I have gotten so lazy and so used to just not having to do much to a wig. Once you get used to having to not do much, it's like really, really like, you know, amazing. That's all I can say. Fantastic. So this one right here is their body wave, 24 inches, baby. And she is a pre-wear and go. Wear and go. Put her on and head out the door. She already comes bleached, okay? And I just want to see what this bleaching is looking like. Now, it is bleached. However, when you do it yourself, it just comes out a whole lot different. So me personally, because this is just me, I would have probably bleached it more only because I don't want to see anything. And that's just me, you know what I'm saying? However, when you get a wig from a company, I don't really think a lot of them do the deep bleaching because if the hair starts falling out as soon as you get it, they're going to be the reason why. So it does come already bleached. The lace is already cut. SKINLIKE HD lace, removable adjustable band, silicone banding, and adjustable strap in the nape. Also, there is comb as well. There isn't any drawstring. There are also the ear tabs on the side so your ears can fit real comfortable. So girl, let's get into this, okay?
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you play, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care.
All right, y'all, look. Now, first of all, let's just say this. Let me get this out. This is actually not a wear and go. Like, you can wear it and then you can go. But before you put it on, you are definitely going to have to do some tweaking. You're going to have to part it. You're going to have to style it. So I feel like this is not a wear and go, but it definitely is a go. It's a great wig. The unit is nice and full. This is 250 density. I have not did a 250 density wig in like forever. Actual hair stayed curled, which I do like. The density is definitely there. I love the fact that it's actually 250 versus it's saying it is, and then you get it and it really reminds you of 150. But girl, listen, this wig came out super cute. So the only thing that I do wish for is that it was really like a wear and go, like something you could just take out the box, put on and go. There are a lot of people that really aren't experienced with doing wigs or installing them or bleaching them or parting them. So a lot of people take that wear and go very serious. Look at this wig. Amazon be having everything. I like the way this came out. The curls came out cute. Tell y'all, I love me a good wig. Who don't love a good wig? Because check out BEEOS. I'll link everything in the description box below. And if you stayed to the end, come on through and give your girl a black heart. And if you would please, pretty please, hype this video up. You'll find it directly underneath the screen next to the share button. And that'll just help me stay in the algorithm or get my ass in the algorithm. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious. Thumbs this video up, hype it up, comment and share, and leave that black heart if you stayed to the end. And I'll see y'all in the next one.
An ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone.